In primetime news this evening, JLP gets thumbs up. Jamaicans give party a positive rating. We have the latest in the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson polls. Fake news. Health Ministry insists no COVID-19 case in Jamaica. And why PNP caretaker candidate Patricia Sutherland is saying sorry. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, for the second consecutive day, Jamaica's stock market has declined, and I'll have the winners and losers in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jermaine Brown at the Sports Desk. Jermaine, what's coming up?
Well, Herman, the under-20 reggae girls, they came so close, but they're now out of the final round of World Cup qualifiers. We'll give you more about that when we come back.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What are your views on the expression from MP Everald Warmington that the Standing Finance Committee, which is required by law to scrutinize and approve the budget, is a waste of time?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.